Hello and welcome back to TK's Bar. I'm your host Tessa and today we are making a Harvey Wallbanger. So what is a Harvey Wallbanger? A Harvey Wallbanger is a vodka-based cocktail, 3-ingredient cocktail, super easy to make, but it's named after a surfer down in Los Angeles named Tom Harvey, and one day he got way too drunk and he started banging into the walls, and so that's why it's called a Harvey Wallbanger. Now we know what a Harvey Wallbanger is, let's get straight into making the drink. The first thing, you're going to want to make sure your glass is full of ice, like mine is here, and then let's get straight into it. So like I said before, it is a vodka based cocktail, which means our first ingredient is going to be vodka. You can use any vodka. Today the only vodka we have in the house is actually Belvedere, and I'm really sad to use it for a cocktail like this where it's probably going to be mostly covered up, but we are going to use it today. So we're going to do 1.5 ounces pour of our vodka. Then our next ingredient is going to be our orange juice. We're going to do 4 ounces of orange juice. You could use fresh squeezed if you want. Today I'm just going to use store-bought. Yeah. Then our last ingredient is going to be Galliano's vanilla liqueur, and we are going to float this on top of our already mostly made drink with our bar spoon. I forgot to mention you're going to need a bar spoon or a tablespoon if you want. So I already can tell that my glass is going to be slightly too big, so I'm going to go grab some more ice cubes before we do this. Alrighty, so now we've got our glass almost full with ice and we've got just a little bit of space, and we're going to pour in our Galliano liqueur. So we are doing 1/2 ounce and we're going to float it on top, and I'll show you how to do that just now. We're going to pour 1/2 ounce into here. And then I would hold this with your dominant hand, and we're gonna float it on the back of the spoon, and we're gonna sit this back of the spoon right on the top of the drink and just pour it over top really slowly.
They're all the same color, so you're not gonna be able to see it, but we're gonna be able to taste it.
So now we've got our almost finished drink. We're just gonna have to garnish this and then we can try it. To garnish today, we've got a orange wheel, and we're just gonna slide that onto there. And then we're also gonna grab a maraschino cherry. Watch out because the goop that it sits in probably will stain your countertops. And then we're just gonna throw this on the side of the drink, throw in a straw, and give it a taste. That's so good. The vanilla liqueur kind of gives a warmth to the orange juice, and it tastes really good. I would highly recommend you making this drink at home. It's so good, it's so easy. 3 ingredients, come on. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today. If you do decide to try it, make sure to leave it in the comments below. If you like me and you like my videos, make sure to subscribe and even hit the notification bell if you want. Anyways, thanks again, you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Look at how pretty that is. It's absolutely gorgeous.